Okay, so let's start. Okay, so today is Thursday, December 9th. So let's start with the pre-market notes. So today is a rollover day and tomorrow is also rollover effect is going to be there, right? So today's level are for the December month and tomorrow's level will be for March month. So for ES is just balancing within the last 2 days range. So technically 46.66, 47.10 is the garbage range, and pretty much ES stayed between the garbage, right? So when you're trading in the garbage, it is difficult to read the price action, because it can ping pong, randomly, especially true for the rollover day, and that is what essentially ES did today, so it was expected, right? So yesterday we have observed that heavy volume buyers bought it between 73 to 76 area, right? So that was yesterday's area, that heavy buyers bought it from here, right? So that area we need to keep it in mind, and you can see pretty much almost 75% of the day price held above this area, right? Then at the end it broke down below it, but then it got stuck right here and then bounced back up, closed at 68. Now for ideally I want buyers to hold it above 86 of the open and stay above it, if they are aggressive. Below that area it may go down, but how far I have no clue. Even though it goes down, 73, 76 buyers are there. So technically above 73 buyers are there at the higher level view, and below 73 sellers are going to be there, but this chance below 73 happened towards the end of the day, so there is no point trading actually, after that. So that is the story for ES. Now you can view the price action in your mind, how it happened, what happened from these levels, and then you will see it. NQ buyers are there, then I want them to hold it above 334, 320 ideally. Below that area it can go down further, and then it is up to 240 to 250 to decide, right? Below 240, 250 it can easily go down, but then each and every level below all the way up to Tuesday's low it can find buyers, so these are the levels for NQ to keep in mind, right? Below this it can go down, right? Now you look at the price, so I'm going to cover NQ 334, 320, right? Price launched the move right from this level, came this 398 was our dream number, 362 was our dream number, right? So it basically touched the dream number, little bit higher up, back down, right? Back to 334, 320, bounce, 362 dream number, broken dream number, turning into resistance now, right? It was a resistance, broken, and then again it acted, shorts from there, came down, sliced through. See, 334 held it, sliced through it, went to 240, 250, another level, right? Bounced from it, back to 334, 320, again down, finally broke down, held this area and down. See, so NQ was pretty clear today, but it was not tradable price action in real time. See, after the fact it looks clear, right? But NQ was poking higher, it's like so much struggle, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, you can see it, right? So, and by looking at ES, usually we combine ES and NQ, right? Pretty much all the market or indexes. Today they were separate, so it's hard to trade individually, because if one is going down, one is going up, you don't know which one to follow, right? And so that's why even though NQ was looking good from all these levels, it was hard to trade, ES was even more difficult because of NQ going down. It was hard to hold long in ES and hard to go even long in ES because of internals, liquidation kind right of the open. So longs were difficult, but still it was kept going up while NQ was going down, right? So it was a nightmare, I would say, to even read the price action, right? But since internals were down, I would rather follow the short direction, right? But here so right of the open, so 86 was the important level, right? So 82 is the level which I drew it later on, but 86 was important, right? So above 86 buyers, below 86 sellers. an entire day, and then above 73 higher level buyers, right? And this is what happened above 73 here. See, they bought it, right? Same set of yesterday's buyers. Here 86, like ping pong, correct? So technically I'm not supposed to even discuss today's price action, because I stopped even looking into it after 10:40, and then I did not even bother to even look at this damn thing, so I was doing something else anyway. So later I saw this price action, but I didn't even bother to trade it, so but up to this point I can explain. This one was garbage anyway. I told in Discord also, do not trade. It's a garbage price action. Done. Done trading. So this 82 was not the long, right? Because 86 above buyers are in control, right? So once it went higher, it needs to hold above 86, right? So but then it is to hold above 86, but that was not the trade because of the stop loss placement. It has to be below 82, right? So I was looking for, when price was here, I was saying that if it comes back to 84, then you can go long 84, 85, but your stop has to be at 82 or 81, actually below this last low, which is 4 to 5 point stop, right? Then so you have to decide where to go long in this area. You can be aggressive and push the button at 85, 86. Even I gave another trade that 89 you can even go long if you want to, just based on the pure price action. I also said ignore the internals. Internals were already negative, right? But based on the pure price action, you can try going long at 89 or 88. Stop has to be 87. That did not work out, right? I did not take that long. I'm not aggressive. When it pushed back, I did not even took a long at 84, because I am very particular about my stop losses, right? I do not want a higher stop loss in a garbage day. So when it came down to 83, that's where I pushed the button, put the stop at 81, and I held it. Then it went in my favor, went up to 891, right? Here, now, if these buyers are in control, right, it has to hold above now this area, pretty much 84, 85, 86, and then stay higher. The moment it goes down, it's an intraday shift from buyers to seller, and you can have one selling opportunity. If price comes back up again, it confirms it's a garbage. Then after no trading. So I held it at 81. I did not even take a profit at 91, because this guy was moving higher nicely. This guy was moving higher, right? This guy was moving higher. So everything was good, but I had a thought that it's a rollover. It will do its weird behavior today, price action wise. And this is what I said in Discord, that price action will do unexpected behavior, But still I held it, because I didn't want to do back and forth in this garbage, because it can technically come down 3-4 times at 83, 84, and then go back up, So I held it. Then finally it just came down, Then it took me out at 81. 1 point loss, fine. Then here I shorted. This is a short opportunity also now, because now price wanted to go down, because now it's a morning breakdown here, right? So here you can short even, I actually shorted it here at right at 83, 81 area. So basically I flipped it, right? Then I didn't want to take a profit at 73. The idea is, now it's a morning balance is broken down. Ideally it should go down. But I had also an idea about yesterday's buyers, right? That was a warning sign also, that yesterday's buyers, heavy buyers were there. But today the way it came down, it just pissed me off, because the way it came down and the way internals were still going down, right? From here it returned. I was almost sure that it will break down and go to 66, 57, so and so, this 66 level or 57. So even here also it just, got rejection. So I held it, and then suddenly it just bounced back up. So I built up, break even, right? Then at that point, it was final. The day is going to be garbage. No more trading, regardless of whatever price action shows me, No more reading after that. It's not worth to trade and read the price action. So I did not even bother to look. Randomly I came back and just look in between, and then gave some guideline in Discord. But then after that, no trading for me. And then price just ping pong, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, right, back and forth, and finally it broke down and came to original area where I was looking to take profit, 66 for my shots, right? But when price was here somewhere higher, I said in Discord that regardless of however price moves, I want price to come, it will come back to retest this morning low at least once in NQ and in ES. So finally it came down, and even actually it broke down also, right? So my analysis was right that one time it will come down, but price action was not tradable, so there is no end goal achieved, here today. So it's a garbage. Tomorrow you may see the similar behavior, and if that is the case, then first few minutes like today will give us idea, and then either we can stop trading, and if there is a good price action we will trade, so and that be all for today.